In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish indicator in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a Pine script you've written and make it available either just for yourself or for the wider Tradingview community. First, head to the Pine editor. You'll find it at the bottom of the Tradingview chart page. If you don't see it, expand the bottom panel and select the Pine editor tab. This is where all the scripting happens. It's a good idea to open a chart you are familiar with so you can quickly test your work. Now, write your script or paste your existing Pine script code into the editor. Make sure everything is complete and tidy. Clear input names, helpful comments, and consistent formatting go a long way. If you are moving code from elsewhere, double-check that the version declaration matches the syntax you are using to avoid unexpected errors. Next, click Add to Chart. This compiles the script and overlays the indicator on your current chart so you can confirm it behaves as intended. If you see errors, read them carefully in the console at the bottom. They usually point to the exact line. Test a few symbols and timeframes to make sure calculations, plots, and alerts look correct. This quick validation step helps you avoid publishing something that doesn't work as expected. When everything looks good, click the Publish Script button in the top right of the editor. If prompted, save your script first. You'll now see a form where you enter the details that define how your indicator appears to you and to others. Start with a clear, concise title that reflects what your indicator does. In the description, explain the purpose, how to use it, any key inputs, and what signals or conditions it highlights. Think of it as a mini user guide so someone new can get value right away. Choose your visibility. Public makes the script discoverable by the Tradingview community, subject to platform rules, and, in some cases, moderation. Private keeps it for your personal use. Next, set the access type. Open means your source code is visible to everyone. Protected hides the code but allows others to use the indicator. Invite only restricts access to users you approve and typically requires a premium plan. The code remains hidden. Finally, click Publish. If you chose public, it may take a moment for the script to appear depending on review. Private scripts show up immediately under your profile scripts section. That's it. Thanks for watching.